This 2017 Coachmen Sportscoach Cross-Country SRS 360DL is a Class A RV. It is located in Boerne, Texas, 78006 and is offered for sale by Ancira RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachman is 36 feet 0 inches in length and features a shadow mist, silver oak, sandalwood interior, sleeps 6, Slideout, and 79 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunkhouse, outdoor entertainment. This 2017 Coachmen Sportscoach Cross-Country SRS 360DL is built on a Freightliner chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.